if we have both the masculine and the feminine natures within us as humans from a metaphysical point of view, and we understand that the masculine nature represents logic, intellect, what makes sense, stability, structure, objectivity, while the feminine nature deal with our feelings, our emotion, fluidity, how we connect with things, subjectivity, and we know those two nature or those metaphysical energies, they come together to create our mind, our mentality, our fourth, fifth, sixth dimensional energy, which is unseen. We cannot see our mind, but we know our mind exists somewhere. So this mind, this mentality, this spaceship, this begotten son that we gave birth to as a spirit, no thing, this mind is what creates our physical reality, but also creates our physical body through our biological responses, through the movement of our fluids, through building hard tissues, just like our bones or our muscles. So we know for a fact that our mind affects our biological body, and we could simply prove how our mind creates our physical reality and our physical body to the simple aspect that you could think certain thoughts and ideas or feel certain emotion that make you sweat, that make you nervous, that make your body shake, but you wouldn't be able to go through those biological responses without going through the mental experience first, which caused it to condense into some form of biological response within your body, such as nervousness, butterfly, sweating, and things along this line. So if we understand that we have both the masculine and the feminine nature, which come together to get our mind, which is our begotten son, which bent on itself to create our physical reality, our biological responses, just based on us above, so down below, we know that our body should have masculine and feminine natures to us. And a simple way to see that is genders. We have both male and female. But within our own biology, we have organs and body systems that more are masculine and some organs of body system that are more feminine. And through these organs, which are masculine and feminine, they work together, which create a marriage which allow us to produce beneficial things within our body or go through certain biological processes necessary for us to go through. You could literally say some of your organs, they go through marriage, they go through relationships, but those relationships could be explained through astrological aspects, such as this organ squares this organ, or this body system sextile each other, this organ, this biological system, they oppose each other, so they have difficulty working. So a great way or a simple way to understand how the masculine and the feminine nature play out our own biology is through studying blood, your red bile, aka the sun representation physically, and also the white bile, which is your white blood cells, which is the representation of the moon. So it has the feminine nature and the blood has the masculine nature. The blood externalize and travel through the body to deliver oxygen, minerals, hormones, and things like that. While the white bile, the white blood cells, they simply act and react based on what's happening inside the body. White blood cells gonna react because reacting is feminine in nature to fight against these pathogens. So it's almost the blood, which is the sun, and the lymph and the white blood cells are the moon. They have this nature of the blood is pushing, white blood cells are pulling the toxins, they're pulling the pathogen or killing them. So both these fluids work together in maintaining your masculine nature and feminine nature from just a biological point of view.